Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily fix PowerPoint presentation which is not responding or opening in your Windows or computer. So let's get started. So at the search bar, type powerpnt.exe. The moment you click on that, go for run as administrator. Okay? So your user account control will ask you to say yes. Just go with yes and check if your PowerPoint presentation is responding or opening. Okay? And let's say if it doesn't, then let's proceed to the second step, which is to go for Windows Update. Okay? So at the search bar again, type Windows Update. Okay? And then click on Open to continue. So once you're here at the update settings, check if your device is up to date. And if it doesn't, then go for check for updates and update your computer to get the latest Microsoft updates. Okay? So mostly if you update your computer into the latest version of Windows, issues like Microsoft Office not working, I mean PowerPoint presentation not working or responding in your computer will be fixed, okay? So just have to restart your computer and check if your PowerPoint presentation is responding again. And let's say if it doesn't, then let's bound to the very important step, which is to open run. How we can do that? Press Windows and R keys together, or you can simply do a right click at the start icon and then go for run. In this small window, you need to type appwiz.cpl to open programs and features. Click on OK to proceed. The moment you click on that, you'll be redirected here at the Programs and Features window. Here you need to select the Microsoft Office that you are using or installing in your computer. So you can go with Microsoft Office 365 if you're using that. And in my case, since I'm using Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2016, then I'm going with this. Okay. So select that and then click on Change, and then your user account control will ask you to say yes. Just go with yes to complete the process. Okay, so here just have to wait until ready and go for repair. Okay, so the moment you click on continue, this will repair your Microsoft Office or your Microsoft 365. Okay, once done, just have to wait. I mean, this will take some time, maybe 7 to 10 minutes, depending on your machine. Okay. Just have to wait until the process is done. Okay. So, just have to restart your computer after everything's done, and then you're good to go. Okay. So those are the steps on how to fix your PowerPoint presentation which is not working in your computer. If this video helps you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.